Today, the trial of Chad Daybell officially underway, and it was a long first day in the courtroom with jury selection just wrapping up hours ago.
Here in Utah, Tammy Daybell's family members, well, they are releasing a statement. News specialist Garna Mejia joins us live with a recap of the day's events. Garna?
Tammy Daybell's siblings have been silent through much of this. Her sister Samantha William testified in Lori Vallow Daybell's trial and is expected to do so again. Today, though, they say it was a hard day as jury selection begins for the man who was once a beloved brother-in-law.
Is that something you wish to discuss here?
Facing the people who will potentially decide his fate, Chad Daybell was dressed in a light blue shirt and tie as two batches of potential jurors were questioned.
The next topic the court wants to discuss with you then, Juror 631, is in relation to your attitudes regarding the death penalty.
Raising the stakes is the death penalty, which prosecutors are seeking against Daybell. He's charged with first-degree murder and conspiracy to commit murder in the 2019 deaths of his first wife, Tammy Daybell, and his second wife, Lori Vallow Daybell's children, Tylee Ryan and J.J. Vallow, as well as grand theft and insurance fraud.
I was just really glad that I was not confronted with that, and I feel for the jurors who are more than likely going to be.
In the audience was Tom Evans. Just 1 year ago, he served as a juror for Lori Vallow Daybell's trial. She was sentenced to life without parole, a 6-week ordeal with an emotional toll.
It's like you're in shock and you just don't realize.
While they weren't in the courtroom today, Tammy Daybell's Utah-based siblings released a statement through the charity they started in her honor, the Tammy Douglas Daybell Foundation, which advocates for literacy programs, saying in part, "While the trial brings its own set of challenges, our love for Tammy fuels our determination to make a positive, lasting impact in her name. Today, as the trial begins, our hearts are heavy with the reminder of the woman we have lost." Tammy and Chad raised their family in Springville until 2015 when they moved to the Rexburg area. With Chad a struggling writer, Tammy worked as a librarian at the local school. Her love of books and ducks, a marker on her grave, and now her foundation. Now 16 potential jurors advance today. 50 are needed before prosecutors and the defense can select the final 18. That'll be made up of 12 jurors plus 6 alternates. I'm Garna Mejia, KSL 5 News.
All right, Garna, thanks for breaking that down for us. Well, you can watch the Daybell trial in its entirety on the KSL Plus app. We'll be streaming every day court is in session. Now it's the culmination of years of investigations, arrests, and reports. You can read all about the case and how it got to this point on KSLTV.com.